Welcome to Traqo's RFQ Management Platform, a powerful solution designed to streamline and automate your end-to-end RFQ process efficiently. We begin after receiving the vendor's earnest money deposit, EMD. Once the vendor accepts the EMD conditions and deposits the amount, we mark the vendor as EMD received. After all vendor payments are confirmed, we move forward to create the RFQ. To create the RFQ, we first select the tender name. The system then redirects us to the RFQ creation page with all vendors whose EMDs have been received. Here, we fill in the RFQ details, choose the bulk import option, and upload the lane items. We also have a share of business percentage feature for each lane, ensuring fair allocation across vendors. Next, using the Permute feature, the system automatically generates combinations for each lane based on origin, destination, and vehicle type. Relevant supporting documents can also be uploaded directly within the RFQ for quick reference. Once all details are added, we click Save to create the RFQ. The RFQ opens as round 1. During this stage, we can also extend the duration if required. Within the settings section, different privileges can be configured, such as bid masking, who can extend the RFQ, and who can convert the RFQ to an auction. Under the Participants tab, we can view details of all invited vendors. As quotations are received, they appear in the quotation drawer. When the RFQ is live, vendor names remain hidden through the bid masking feature, ensuring a transparent and unbiased bidding process. After the RFQ is closed, we can reissue it, moving to the next round by selecting specific lanes. Once moved to the second round, the system allows us to track vendors who haven't quoted yet, making it easier to manage participation effectively. We also have a convert to auction feature, available after the RFQ closes. The system automatically takes the L1, lowest quote, as the ceiling price for the auction on lanes where quotations were received. By selecting the desired lanes and clicking Create Auction, we can seamlessly initiate the auction process. For each lane, the platform displays key statistics such as lowest rate, average rate, freight spend, median, mode, and total quotes. Lane-wise price ranks are also visible. In the Analysis tab, we get detailed insights, including overall vendor rankings based on freight, participation, and weighted scores. We can also view rate distribution by round, average versus median rate per vendor, and lane-level summaries for performance evaluation. Once analysis is complete, we can proceed to bulk allot or manual allotment. After allotting, we move to reward the vendor, where a complete reward summary is generated. At this stage, the RFQ transitions to the allotted phase, marking it as successfully completed. Finally, once vendors are rewarded, the system automatically creates a vendor rate master for each allotted vendor, completing the RFQ lifecycle seamlessly. This is how Traqo's RFQ Management Platform brings structure, transparency, and efficiency to your procurement process, from EMD receipt all the way to vendor reward and rate finalization. Thank you for watching.